name's Nadia Dyson from Luxury Locations, and I'm here in sunny Antigua on the south finger of Jolly Harbour. I'm here to show you this villa, which is 219G. Let's go and take a look inside. As you come into the property, you have this large kitchen area. Now you also have a storeroom here, and in many of the properties that have been renovated in Jolly Harbour, they've incorporated this kitchen and the storeroom and put a window in this storeroom to have a really nice, large, open plan kitchen area with pantry, wash and dry, and then you move on to the living room. So that's something that can be done in this area here. As you move through the property, you have a guest bathroom here. And then you have your inside dining, which leads straight to your living room and the outside patio. So this is a beautiful patio, and one of the things when looking at property in Jolly Harbour is to look at the location. Now this property is just a couple of minutes, not even a minute walk to the beach, and your outlook is of the mountains, the Sugar Ridge, and some beautiful large detached homes. So it's got a really nice view. It's also east facing, so this gets lovely morning sunshine, and then about 2 o'clock you'll have a nice shaded area. Also here you have 40 foot in front of you. So many people along this finger have done extended decks, or you can have a boat dock or a boat lift. Whatever your property requirements are, you've got space to do it here. Currently there is a patio and a decking area with seating for 4 people. Let me go and show you upstairs, where you have 2 really nice sized bedrooms and 2 ensuite bathrooms. This is the primary bedroom, which is a really good size. It has really nice high ceilings. You've got your ensuite bathroom, built-in wardrobes and extra storage space. Here you have obviously 2 singles that have been pushed together, so it could easily have a king bed in this property. And then you have a lovely little balcony. Now some of the refurbishments that have been happening in Jolly Harbour have pushed out the bedroom, so removed the balcony and had lovely wall-to-wall glass sliding doors put in and some jealousy balcony rails. So there's a lot of versatility in this room if you wanted to make it bigger, or you just wanted to freshen it up and keep the balcony. Let's have a look at this view. It is absolutely beautiful. This is a really lovely view. You've got all the boats in the harbour, the beautiful homes, the mountains of Sugar Ridge, and here you can see straight out to the super yacht terminal and where all the boats go passing by. It's great for me to show you up here, because looking down you can see the extended decks that I was mentioning when we were down below on the patio. Also, this is where you could extend the bedroom, so you already have your roof here, and then you could put lovely glass sliding doors all the way along here and have this insane view every morning when you wake up. Let's go and have a look at the bathroom, and then I'll show you the other bedroom. This is a good sized bathroom. You have a shower, a vanity and toilet, and really that's all you need. Obviously if you were completely renovating the property, you could make it a little bit bigger and maybe put a bathtub in, but that's obviously personal preference. Second bedroom is a really good space. You've got your built-in wardrobe and storage. One thing many people do in this bedroom is have an extended patio outside and have sliding doors going outside. One, it gives more light. Also, you can put a nice king bed here and it becomes like a second master. So if you're thinking about renting a property, you then have 2 really nice master bedrooms, and there'll be no fighting over who gets the best room. So just another idea when looking at renovating properties. This one has an ensuite bathroom already. Again, this could be made bigger, but it is a nice size and it's got your shower, your vanity and your toilet. 219G is listed for $450,000 US. It is a great sized property, around 1,000 square foot, and it has loads of opportunities for renovation and improvements. It's located on the south finger of Jolly Harbour, so it's like under a minute to get to South Beach. It has a great opportunity here to extend your deck or maybe have a boat dock, and 2 really good sized bedrooms, ensuite bathrooms and a guest bathroom downstairs. It has such great versatility and the perfect property for someone looking to maybe reside in Antigua or have a holiday home. If you'd like to have a look at this property, please contact us today at info@luxurylocations.com. And if you like our videos and want to see more properties, please subscribe to the channel below. Thanks for watching and hope to see you again soon.